Myntri rangbah ke jylla Conrad Sangma Rkc-Kyntu ke sengbhalang makan Pynlong Ishu ke hynrei iatreilang wanrah iada ya ke jaitbynriew. Habai keren bat kilap thai khobor Conrad ulong ba omtang ya ke bala banyada ki brio banabar hynrei ulong ba ki don ki wei pat de kilat rekam ban khang ya ke jingrung jingmi ki brio ku bana sabar. La ban kedo hangni ba ka Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization Kalara ban Pynlong da ka black flag ha ka apply trek mentau banai bandawa pentrek kami ka ha ka Meghalaya.
What is important, and I think my stand is very clear from day one, is that protection of our people, our indigenous people, is what the objective is. And that objective will never be diluted. That's number one. ILP or the Resident Safety Act or putting up gates, these are all mechanisms to achieve that goal. So I think we should not dilute the goal, which, as I said, is to protect our people. What mechanism we will use is a matter of discussion and practical approach and looking at what can be done and not done. So therefore, I'm not saying yes or no. All I'm saying is that let us not make ILP the issue. The issue is always protecting our people. ILP is an option and a mechanism which is used. So which will be the best mechanism? We are looking into it, we're discussing, and we will do what is in the best interest of our people.